Welcome to the Half Thumb Homestead. Had quite an eventful couple days. Went to change out the oil pan here. Oil pan gasket. And because it's a manual, we couldn't get it out because the bell housing is bigger. So we had to pull the motor. Come to find out, there was no gasket on the distributor. The manifold was leaking. Valve covers were leaking. Timing cover was leaking. Everything has new gaskets except the heads. Getting ready to go back in with the motor. And no, putting a motor in is not how I cut my thumb off. In case you're wondering. Gotta change out the throwout bearing, put in a new clutch plate, and hopefully we get it done tomorrow and then we can start on the brakes. Brakes all around, man. On a disc. A little dirty. Once we get it cleaned up, I'll take it and wash it. Get it back together. Your hood. It's been an interesting 2.5 days. So keep watching. Half thumb out.